আপনি কেমন আছেন?
আমি ভালো আছি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। আপনার দোয়া।
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। হোসেন, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আপনার নাম কি?
মহিউদ্দিন জুবায়ের।
মহিউদ্দিন জুবায়ের, আচ্ছা। আপনার বাড়ি কোথায়?
ময়মনসিংহ, কিশোরগঞ্জ।
ময়মনসিংহ, মাশাআল্লাহ। হোসেন, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আপনার নাম?
সৈয়দ সালেউদ্দিন মোহাম্মদ তারেক।
জুড়মা, হাউ ডু ইউ সে জুড়মা ইন বাংলাদেশ?
জমজ।
হ্যাঁ,
জামাজ।
জামাজ।
টুইন ইজ জামাজ।
জামাজ।
জে মিম জে।
Jamim. And you are both Jamaj, how would you say in Bangladesh?
তোমরা দুজনই, হ্যাঁ তোমরা দুজনই,
আমরা দুজনই জামজ। আসে
জামজ ভাই।
জামজ ভাই। আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আপনার নাম কি?
শামীম আহমদ।
শামীম আহমদ, yes. বসেন। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহ। I know these two young boys. I met them before, and God has blessed them with very, shall we say, very rich voice and very charming voice. It's very.
Alhamdulillah.
Have you heard them sing?
Yes,
When?
sir. Earlier in Bangladesh also, and here also.
Right. Here as well.
Yes.
So, during this program, I would like them to sing a few songs. Or have you ever composed a Bangla song yourself?
Yes.
Yes.
You say yes, they didn't understand it.
Yes.
You did?
I did, yeah.
On Ahmediyya?
An Ahmediyya Bengali nazam.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Did you make one? Do you remember one, or did you make it yourself?
Not yet thoroughly. Not yet thoroughly.
Not yet
Thoroughly.
What do you mean by not yet thoroughly?
They are trying to compose, Huzur.
No, he says one Bengali nazam. What is he talking about?
Yes, I actually.
One of you is half an hour older than the other. Is he the older? Yes, that's right. Yes.
So we are doing some Urdu nazam in here, which is we are trying to already record 2 of those, and another four is
Both sing together in duets. Is that right?
Yeah.
One after the other, or together? One line is sung by him, and the other line is sung by you. Give us a demonstration, please.
I'm doing is Urdu one.
Okay. Whatever you do. Both. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Good.
জামালো হুসনে কুরআনুরে জানে হর মুসলমান হ্যায়।
Lovely, huh?
Very nice.
জামালো হুসনে কুরআনুরে জানে হর মুসলমান कमर है चांद औरों का हमारा चांद कुरान है। कमर है चांद औरों का हमारा चांद कुरान है। জামালো হুসনে কুরআনুরে জানে হর মুসলমান হ্যায়। Amen.
Go on.
Any further?
Don't stop.
So I wrote it in my own paper in Bengali.
Where are your own papers then?
This was in my file.
And you left your file home?
Yes, it is.
Oh no. Tell somebody to bring where is Wahid? Perhaps he could write in Bangladeshi language. Inquire about Wahid and call him to come in and join us.
Wahid is sick.
अच्छा
तो ये बताने से बंगला में वो लिख लेगा. आप बता दें कलाम महमूद. And ये
in the meantime we talk of other things, okay? Tell me, do you have any questions to ask me today?
Yes.
On behalf of the Bangladeshi Jamaat?
Yes.
Which
We got,
who will start? You are the moderator. You will.
Yes.
Okay, take over.